Busy little ant, once upon a time, in forest, there lived a busy little ant named Andy. He was always doing something, running here and there, and never taking any breaks. One day, a carefree grasshopper named Grace came by and saw Andy and his hard work. "Why do you work so hard, Andy? You should relax and have some fun like me," said Grace. Andy replied, "I have to save up for the winter, so I can survive through the cold months. Oh, you can worry about the later. Enjoy life now," Grace said and hopped away. The station changed and winter arrived, and they had plenty of food and a warm home. But poor Grace was shivering and starving in the cold, with nothing to eat. Andy felt sorry for Grace and offered to share his food and shelter. Grateful for the kindness, Grace learned his lesson and promised to be more responsible in the future. The moral of the story is that hard work and planning ahead is essential to succeed in life. Don't let fun distract you from important tasks, or you may regret it later. Thank you very much.